Welcome to Tips in a Minute, a series of quick tutorials that covers the basics of navigating the NIH Library's resources. This tutorial will cover how to access databases. To get started, head to the library's website at nihlibrary.nih.gov. Be sure you are logged into the site. Click on the database link. Now, you have some options for accessing a database. You can search for databases using the title or keyword. You can select a letter to browse an alphabetical list, or you can browse by category. For this example, I'll search for Scopus. Now on the results page, I see Scopus listed, and I click on the title. Under Full Text Availability, click on the database name, and now you are ready to search. If you need help searching in databases or with logging into the NIH Library website, click on Ask a Question in the top level menu.
This content was created by the NIH Library. Thank you for watching.